Hey there, folks. If you're living in the USA and need to send money back to Bangladesh, especially with all the updates coming in 2025, this guide is perfect for you. Whether it's for family support, investments, or just helping out, transferring money internationally has never been easier or more regulated. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to choose the right method. In 2025, popular options include digital services like Wise, Remitly, or even traditional banks like Wells Fargo or Chase. These platforms are secure, fast, and often have competitive exchange rates. But remember, always compare fees because they can vary widely. Some services charge a flat fee, while others take a percentage. Step 1. Sign up or log in to your chosen service. Most apps require you to verify your identity with a US ID and provide the recipient's details in Bangladesh, like their bank account number or mobile wallet info. In 2025, expect more emphasis on biometric verification for added security, so have your fingerprint or Face ID ready. Next, enter the amount you want to send. The system will show you the current exchange rate. Keep an eye on that, as rates fluctuate daily. For example, if you're sending $1,000 United States dollars, you might get around 110,000 Bangladeshi takas, but check for any hidden fees that could reduce that. Once you're set, initiate the transfer. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive, depending on the method. Track your transaction through the app's dashboard. Most services send notifications when it's complete. A few tips for 2025. With new regulations from both countries, ensure you're compliant with anti-money laundering laws. Also, use secure networks to avoid scams. And if you're dealing with large amounts, consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. Sending money from the USA to Bangladesh doesn't have to be complicated. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.